welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to look put together at home in quarantine. Yes, so right now it is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, and I have to go. We're gonna do a drive-through birthday party for my little cousin. Not a birthday party, but just like a drive-through to sing her happy birthday. Super excited about that, but other than that, nothing to do. So this video is geared towards, you know, like self-love, taking care of yourself, showing up for yourself, doing something for yourself. And every day I try to do my hair, do my makeup, which you guys will see in a minute, that it doesn't take much effort at all. So I know we're all stuck inside, but still try and put yourself together. You know, don't walk around in pajamas all day. Don't walk around with your hair in a bun. Wake up and do something for yourself. I feel like when you look good, you feel good. What you guys think about that? So I have to take off my acrylics, obviously, but I'm gonna show you guys probably in another video, because I love press-on nails. I was wearing them for a while, then I went back to acrylics, but I love press-on nails. So I'm gonna go find me a cute set and then show you guys how I like to apply them. And they last 2 weeks, a good 2 weeks, literally a good 2 weeks. So all right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do to make myself look put together every day. And since we've been in quarantine or have this stay-at-home order, I have still been getting up, doing my hair, doing my makeup, making myself look like something. So my routine is not what I would normally do if I'm going to work or if I'm going out. It is really quick and really simple, and I'm going to share with you guys today. So let's see, guys. Let me see. Let me show you guys how I start. So I start with my eyebrows, and so I have my kit right here. So I use an angle liner brush, and this is the brow pomade that I use. I'm sorry. It is by e.l.f. and I've been having it for a long time. Espresso is the color that I use. Hold on, I might have to move you guys. Hold on. So I just take my little handheld here, my angle liner brush by Sephora. Y'all, I really do not do anything special like at all, but it definitely helps you just look like, you know, you put some effort into yourself. So I'm gonna kind of do it this way so you can kind of see what I'm doing. My hair is a little wet too. Is it dark? I know. Can you guys see? So for me, I just fill in the tail end, because my brows are pretty thick already. So I just kind of fill in like this sparse area. Can you see the difference between this brow and this brow? Not a big major difference, but definitely definitely more grooms. And then I just go through with my clear brow gel. And then I'm gonna do the other one. And so, definitely not perfect, but it will do. Y'all, I am someone who strives for perfect brows when I'm like really doing my makeup, when I really, you know, am doing my makeup. So the next thing I do is I take my powder, my Air-spun powder, because I don't like to get my hands dirty. And of course, this is taking a little bit longer because I'm showing you guys what I'm doing, but normally this takes me about 5 minutes every day. And I take my moisturizer and I take my foundation. Doesn't matter which moisturizer and foundation you're using, it's just whatever you have or whatever you like, really. For me, I'm using the Nivea soft cream. Y'all, I'm literally taking a dollop of foundation compared to, and this is my moisturizer. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. I normally take a fluffy brush, or a fluffy brush like this, or a sponge, because I do want it to soak up as much product as possible. And then I just go all over my face to spread it evenly. I know this is gonna look crazy and y'all gonna be like, what? Girl, but I'm telling you, it is nothing fancy and it is nothing. So after you swipe, then go in and pat, because you can't forget that this is pretty much basically tinted. You made your own tinted moisturizer, but you have to push that moisturizer into your skin, and then being that you have that little bit of foundation, you have to make sure it's still even. So I pretty much picked up all of that products with the brush at one time, and I'm pretty much mixing it on my face, if you will. And so this allows you to look like you have a somewhat even skin tone, but your skin still kind of peeks through, which is great for spring and summer. Like, because you don't want to be walking around cake face, and then if you're at home, you don't want to be walking around with a full B face either, obviously. And then the great thing about this is when the moisturizer dries, because you really have literally just a dab of foundation that you stretched all over your face. So when this moisturizer dries, it's gonna, you know, not feel so wet and sticky, that normal feeling you normally feel after you put on a lot of foundation. And I'm just going through patting, making sure it's all pushed into my skin. I like to use my handheld mirror to make sure there's no like uneven patches. Make sure you go around the brows. I keep getting under this area, like the eye area. I have to move my face around too, so. All right, the hard part is over. Now I'm taking my Air-spun powder. It's a translucent powder, a big fluffy brush, really just getting it all in there. Oof. And like just going lightly dusting it over my face. Just to set everything. Once again, still not too heavy. I'm just showing y'all what I do every day. I'm not, you know, this is not sit down formal makeup tutorial. This is, and we're having kids, I gotta rush, I gotta get it done. as quickly as possible. Now another reason why I do this is because when I go to put on like my highlight, my contour and blush, I don't want it to be so, I don't want it to stick to that sticky, and then I have like a patch of brown, a patch of pink, and a patch, you know, that fluffy brush, taking some contour powder, and I'm just lightly tapping it over those areas. And sometimes I don't even like to do blush, quite honestly. I just like to go in with some highlight. Just the contour and the highlight. I like to do that. And I'm using the highlight out the same palette. I'm using the black black Radiance, I'm sorry. And a fan brush, and just really like blending it in. And it's adding to the that glow that the moisturizer gives. Just hit the highlights of your face. I like to do up here a little bit. Definitely there. But I like to look a little glowy. I'm sorry if it's dark, y'all. Like, sometimes I'll go in with a little blush. I just use the same blush brush that I used yesterday, not adding any product, and just touch my cheeks a little bit. So for the most part, we're done. And I'm gonna spray. Now let me try to lighten y'all up. Hold on. That's darker. I don't know if it helps. Spray to finish. Everything back. So you can add lashes if you want. I don't know if I am. Or not. Just cleaning off my hands. I don't think I want to add lashes, but normally, not normally, if I'm going out like I am today, I will put on lashes, and these are the ones that I use. Something really natural. I'm not gonna mess with it today. I'm not. What am I looking for? Mascara. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about these earrings. Like, I like to wear my pearls every day. It's just like my signature earring. I just go through and I do one coat of mascara. Can y'all hear my husband snoring? That'd be so funny if y'all can hear. I try to get close to the root as possible. And I don't add any on the bottom. And then I just go in with a clear gloss. No color. I like to go in with a brown liquid liner. This is just extra, you ain't gotta do this. And put my mole back on my mouth, on my lip that I covered up with foundation. Oh, you know what else you can do? I like to go in the inner corners of my eyes. If I can find a shadow brush with some highlighter and just touch it there. And also sometimes I'll go in with the blending brush and some of the same contour powder that I use and go in the crease of my eyes just to give it some depth and dimension. And contour your nose too. Same brush. Boom. Done. That's it. That is it. I don't like spending too much time. So should I keep these earrings in or should I take them out? I don't know. I guess I'll see when I take my hair down. So another thing is, do your hair, guys. Ladies, do your hair. Normally I don't curl my hair, or if I do, I'll curl it one day out the week and I'll like plait it at night or twist it and put it in a bun, and the next day I'll wear like half up, half down, or in a ponytail, or you know, the curls will somewhat still be there, or waves versus, you know, not curls but waves. But today I just want it to be a little bit more put together. And my hair is needs to be washed, as y'all can tell. It's so greasy. Like, it needs to be washed so bad. And it's one of those things that I'm like refusing to do because I want to go to the hair salon. I want to go to the hair salon. To my hair, because so this is how we're looking now. I feel like I want to add lashes, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. So come on, y'all, let me take y'all with me. Guys, like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys share, and if you already haven't subscribed, leave me a comment below if you like this video. I'll see you guys next time.